know what's going on in that corner.
Welcome to geometry, ladies and gentlemen.
Ooh, I like that. Like it nice and fancy. So the first thing I need you to do, girls and guys, is to have, I don't always love you to write with a whiteboard pen on paper because it sucks up all my ink, but you're going to write two things down. So could you grab that little whiteboard pen for me? If you are fancy enough that you've got like other pens, because you're one of those cool people that has like a pen bag, there are two types of, first thing you got to know this, trapezoids are like the dorky cousin. They don't have very much going for them. They're going to live in their parents' basement forever. They're not going to ever date. They are a lot like Tino in that way.
Oh!
But there's two types. Watch this. There's. Here we go. First thing you're going to write with some nice color, non-isosceles. I want you to write the word plane. We are writing plane. Zoe's, I'm sorry, not Zoe. Willow's writing plane. The second thing we're writing underneath isosceles is we're going to write, if you want to switch colors, fancy. Okay. The non-plane ones, I'm going to tell you a couple things. For my point of view, trapezoids can be spun, like I have people like on their paper, sometimes they're written that way, sometimes they're written like upside down, sometimes they're written side to side. So here's the first thing I'm going to give you some advice about. My advice when you do these is to turn your paper so that the parallel sides are one on the bottom and one on the top. How could I, and this isn't part of geometry, this is part of Mrs. Tarantino, how she makes math easy. So we're going to put the flat sides, the parallel sides, one's going to be on the bottom, and one's going to be on the top. And if they're written that way on your paper, you know what you're going to do? You're going to spin your paper around, right? And it'll make it so much easier. And there's only two properties, and they're the saddest little properties. Property number one is that you have one pair of parallel sides. That's it. Guess what? We're not going to be doing how long is this guy's side and how long is this other guy's side, because all that stuff we learned from the other guys doesn't work now. Are the sides equal? No. Are opposite angles equal? No. None of that stuff works anymore. He's just a sad little guy, and this is all he's got. He's got this guy is parallel with this guy. So you're thinking, well, Miss C, how are you showing me the math for this? Because there's one little thing I can get out of it. Are you ready? And here's what it is. It's that the top, oops, sorry, let me write that. Top and bottom angles equal 180. And let me tell you what I mean by that. Hey, Jay, you got to watch this. Or you can at least just, you can't just be in my way here. Here's what I know. This little purple guy and this little purple guy right up here, they're not the same size. They add up to 180. And this little guy over here, this little green guy, and this little green guy, they're not the same size. I don't even know what they are, but they're going to add up to be 180. That's all we get out of him. That's it. The plain ones, all you can do is top and bottom make 180, and then the other corner make 180. So watch what's going to happen. Watch what's going to happen. Everybody's watching me. Check this out. Okay, so watch this, nice and easy. I'm going to make this guy 100 right here. He's 100. So the guy on top of him, 80. That's all we can do. And as a matter of fact, you know how these guys relate to each other? Not at all. They don't get to even like be neighbors. They're like, I don't even know what you are. So if this guy right here is 30 degrees. This guy is 150 degrees. All we can do is say on a plain one that the top and bottom corner equal 180 and the other top and bottom corner equal 180. That's it. Those are your choices. Are you cool? It's going to be so easy because there's not much to it. Okay, here comes the next one. Are you ready? On the fancy ones. Fancy ones have a name. They're called isosceles. And what that means is their sides, the not parallel sides, are congruent. So for example, if this guy's 10, this guy's 10. That's all we get on him. We don't get anything else, nothing else helpful. We're not going to do any sides tonight. We're just going to do angles because the sides on the trapezoid are not really very interesting. They're just, if they're fancy, you got the two like tilty sides equal to each other. And if they're not fancy, you don't even have that. But here's what you do get on the fancy ones. Love this. So let's talk about this guy. This guy's 80 and this guy's 100. Yay. That was from just above. But on the fancy ones, the side to side guys are the same. You guys cool with that? And that's because when you have an isosceles triangle, the bottom angles are the same. So the side to side guys are the same. So we're going to write this down. What are the three things? We got some congruent sides. We've got top, bottom, angles equal 180. And the last thing is side to side are the same. And guess what? That's it. We're going to do like 4 problems and you're going to be like, oh my God, these are so easy. And then we're going to practice them and we're going to call it a day. We're going to call it 2 days and then we'll be back on Wednesday. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's try one. Nice, easy work. Oh, everyone okay writing? Sorry, I kind of rushed it. You know nothing today? Did you write this down? Okay, sorry, baby. I didn't mean to rush. So, yes, the second rule is the same as this. But the only thing that's different if they're fancy is that, see how these don't relate to each other? These are going to be the same. That's the only thing that's different. Plain, not related, fancy, same. Love that for us. Okay, here we go. These are, first one, plain. These are plain ones. So the first thing I'm going to do the first one with you, and I'm going to have you try the second one. Are you guys ready? Nice and easy. Say that again. So this is a plain one, not a fancy one, just plain. So all I know is that this guy and this guy makes 180. So could you get a calculator out and figure out,
93.
How did you do that? Yeah, that's awesome. What'd you say?
87 was 93.
No, I know that these guys make 180. So do 180, take away 87. That's okay. You're our calculator person today. Okay, guess what? 93. Could you now do it again, but do these two guys? They're going to equal 180 again, but the bottom and side to side, not related because it's not fancy. 120, is it 129? Okay, so what do they equal?
180.
Yeah, top and bottom equal 180. So you ready? 180, take away 51.
Oh, it's the same thing.
Yep, it's the same thing. Okay, I'm going to walk around. I want people to do C and D. If it's easier to spin your paper, you can. But here's, oh, sorry about this whole time. I wish you guys didn't know. I'm so sorry. Let me get rid of this. Okay. Top and bottom equal 180. Do this, please. Top and bottom equal 180. Top and bottom equal 180. Top and bottom equal 180. Do it, Will. Top and bottom equal 180. Nice and easy. Top and bottom equal 180. Top and bottom equal 180. Do one with me. I'm going to coach. Here we go. Ready? Yeah. So here we go. Top and bottom equal 180. So grab your calculator. Light work. 180, take away 62.
Why did you have to
Top
do
and
this?
bottom equal 180.
Is this the homework?
Okay, so stealing Zoe's answers. 129, 128, did you get that? 118. 118, 149. Okay, we're gonna go a little bit weirder. I'm not gonna do this one because I'm bored. Okay, here we go. So let's do the next one. All I got is that top and bottom equal. Oh, that sounded so weird. Like you're talking about a butt. I love your bun. You said you don't love your. All I heard was I love your buns. And I'm like, oh, that's cute. Add them up. Make them equal 180. You know, I love her buns too. Add them up. Make them equal 180. Add them up. Equal 180. Add them up. Equal 180.
No, I said bud. That's my favorite.
Number 4, add them up. 7 equals 180.
You sometimes call me Zoe. I think it's on accident though.
I remember.
I did it wrong.
That's my nickname. You're like, what? No. Like, Mr. Wilson, shut up. Oh my God.
Top and bottom equal 1. Let me just do this problem.
I want to watch our movie. Oh,
Yes.
Mr. Wilson every day. You know it's Zoe. I remember when he crashed on me. Remember when? Oh my God! We were in the room.
Do this.
If Johnny's out there. Yeah, Johnny's out there. I said Johnny wasn't out. I said okay, well I was.
Did you like the good time? Did I get it wrong? No. Top and bottom add up to 180. Now hold on. Tina, this is the problem. A lot of you are going to be like, yay, x equals 10, I'm done. But that's not right. It wants to know R. So plug it back in. 70, take away 13, 57 degrees. Come on, my little zombies. We got a couple more and then we're going to be quiet. Okay, everyone's watching. Put it away. Stop. Next ones. Guess what? Fancy. Everyone's watching me. The next ones are fancy. How do I know they're fancy? Either they will say the word isosceles, which is a fancy name, or it's going to have this little mark here that says it's fancy. So let's do this. First thing, top and bottom equal 180. With your neighbors, please figure out S using your calculator. Top and bottom equal 180. And if you're like, Miss T, that is so easy. Yeah, it's 68. But if it's fancy, guess what? Side to side are the same. So 68 and 112. That's how easy it is.
How do you know this face?
Oh, good question. It's going to have this mark for the parallel and this one for fancy.
All right.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Can you do the next one on your own? Everyone's doing it.
This is a fancy one.
It is fancy. It is fancy.
W is 47.
Yes, W is 47. So all you got to do is get Z. You are fire.
I need to shut up. Like, I don't want to
Just killing me, killing me, my girl. Okay, last one, best one. Okay, last one, I'm being quiet, and I'm gonna pass it to homework. Everyone's watching me. So on this one, AJ, they don't have the little marks. You know what they have? The word fancy, isosceles, which guess what? Now, top and bottom equal 180. For Ryan, these are not top and bottom. Tell me about those guys on a fancy one. They don't equal 180. Ryan, I'm asking you. They equal each other. They equal each other. Gotta be equal to each other. Okay? Do it. I haven't. I want to do that. You get it? Are we good? Everyone good? Right on, right on. Yes. Okay. So if it's fancy, I have two choices, either top and bottom equal 180 or side to side equal each other. So this is going to be a side to side. So here's what I got. 2x plus 27.
I got D is 53.
Are you with me on that? Are you still with me?
Oh my God.
Are you still with me?
Bro, what? Plus taxes on
Are ya still with me? Awesome. Now, so I'm talking to Tina because I think I heard you say this. This is perfect. Did you plug in to one of these guys? So here's what I'm going to do. We'll keep watching. I'm going to take that 13 and I'm going to put him right here. Are you cool with this? 26 plus 27. I hear you. Thank you. Is 53. Are we okay? It's fancy. So what does this guy got to be without doing any math? Awesome. And what is this guy got to be? Top and bottom equal? 180. Wow, nerd in your head. That's as bad as it gets tonight. That's it. Nice, 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 nice.